Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.0.0 how to rotate objects on part design. So we'll go to parametric part and you can choose create sketch. I will click on the top plane. As example, you can draw rectangle, click close and use pad tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to rotate this part, you can go to model tab and then right click on body and you can choose transform tools. Will be show for the transform icons, and to rotate you can click at these icons. Okay, you can click like from this point in green into here to be automatically rotate the objects. And you also can set for the increments, like I will set into 5, so it will be every 5 degree the object will be rotation, or you can set into 45 degree for the increment. Okay, this is 45 degree. Okay, you can rotate in blue axis or in red axis. If you're done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.0, how to rotate objects in part design. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.